Welcome to Daily Dose of Wings. Today we are experience the world's most extreme landings and smokiest startups. Let's dive in. Go around over, but a runway exit next. From a dirt exit to a smoking engine. Beyond the smoke, a windy battle awaits.
Tower, Flexjet 567, Flexjet with Thursday taxi.
Flexjet 567 to your tower, runway 1, taxi via Quebec, hold short runway 1.
Runway 1, hold, taxi via Quebec and hold short runway 1, Flexjet 567.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
From rudder fights to a final salute. Ceremony ends, a runway float next.
Clear line, 7 right, 70 Mike. Alaska 603, contact departure, good day. Switching Alaska 603. Contact Alaska 377, 7 right. Contact 350 sorry, runway 7 right, clear to land. Clear line, 7 right, 377. Charlie Golf, Alpha Delta India, Phoenix Tower, cross runway 7 left at Fox, correction X. 70 Mike's going around. Across circle left now, runway code 10 and right onto Foxtrot for Golf Hotel, yep. Tower 7 Sierra Mike, climb and maintain 6,000, turn right heading 1.